Have you ever wondered how to write good quality emails? Do you often wonder how the quality of email could affect your email marketing? Have you found yourself frequently thinking if you have proper knowledge of setting up permission email marketing for your small business? If yes, then you have landed on the right video. Welcome back to another episode of Colorful Finance, the #1 source for content centered around earning money from home. We provide you with theoretical experience in our videos and practical experience with the tools we provide you in the description. Subscribe to the channel so you're always up to date with our latest uploads. In this video, we'll take you through everything you need to know about quality email lists. Can benefit your online business. Now let's get into it. While you may be running an online business that is successful, you will be surprised to know that an online business can greatly benefit from a well-orchestrated email marketing campaign. Email marketing includes many benefits to serving the purpose of an online business. Email lists, which have obtained permission, have the ability to connect with an audience all over the world. Email marketing provides businesses with various marketing techniques at very little cost. Email lists can reach a worldwide audience and are the most prominent benefit of them all. Email marketing requires minimal effort at your end. Traditional marketing services such as radio advertisements, television advertisements, and print media typically reach a small audience, some of whom may not even be interested in your business products and services. Whereas email marketing allows you to connect with people from all parts of the world. While reaching an audience of this nature is possible with other forms of marketing, it can become a complex process. Launching marketing advertisements to cover a wide area is costly. This effort will require intense coordination and several members of your staff to assist you. Email marketing, on the other hand, requires minimal cost and is something you can do on your own. Email lists will help you reach a global audience at the click of your mouse button. You may take more time to create well-researched marketing material, but once this hurdle has been crossed, all it takes is a few minutes to send out your email directly to each prospective customer. Email marketing comes with various marketing options for business owners. The most common technique is to send an email to a group on your email list, which includes promotional material and product information. However, the other approach business owners can assume is to publish an e-newsletter and then distribute it to prospective customers on their email list. A newsletter offers more in-depth information than a promotional email would. These newsletters can feature one article written in-depth introducing your business, and some shorter articles offering useful tips and product reviews. You may even add customer testimonials to the newsletter to make it seem authentic and one of a kind. Newsletters can also incorporate other advertising, graphics, and links. Email marketing is similar to an email correspondence course that focuses on a certain niche, providing detailed information on that certain subject. Remember, email marketing is a cheap marketing strategy. Business owners will relish this form of marketing as very little money goes into this method. All you need is an email list, which can be acquired with permission to reach your target niche. Consider the costs of promoting your products through a commercial on the television or radio. However, transmitting your advertisement through email can be done free of charge. Business owners may have to invest in writers and graphic designers, but these costs are not long-term and can be treated like short-term costs. While there may be costs related to maintaining the internet services and retaining staff to help with sending out emails, these costs are nothing compared to normal operating costs. Permission email marketing tips for offline small business owners. Unless your small business is situated under a rock, you've probably heard something about email marketing by now, and you may have even wondered if it's time for your small business to get into it. In its simplest terms, email marketing means communicating with consumers through email. But there's a big difference between trying to talk to consumers who never asked to be talked to in the first place, and talking to your own customers, who at some points have said, "Yes, I'd love to hear from you." That's where permission email marketing comes in. Permission email marketing means giving valuable information to consumers who have requested to receive it. It is the only legitimate way to send an email marketing campaign, and it is the only way your small business can benefit from email marketing. But how do you get your customers to say "I do"? If you have an online business, or if your offline business has a website that receives many visitors, compiling subscribers can be as easy as adding a subscription box to your website. You would offer users something valuable, like a periodical newsletter or emails with discount coupons, and, in return, your users would subscribe to your mailing list. Sounds great. But what if your business is primarily offline, and what if you don't even have a website? Many businesses think that's reason enough to step out of email marketing altogether. But what they're missing here is that compiling a permission email marketing list offline can be as easy, if not easier in some instances, as building a list online. We have advised many clients on tips to collect email addresses at the point of purchase. Here are some of our favorite tactics. Collect business cards, offer a prize. This is one of the oldest, most proven methods of collecting customer information in-store. Your prize doesn't even have to be huge. If you own a restaurant, it can be as simple as a free dinner for two. If you own a hairdresser, it can be as easy as a 50% off coupon towards their next cut. The beauty here is that customers who submit their business cards have expressed genuine interest in your products or services. So when you contact them by email with further offers, you know you're talking to people who want to buy what you're selling. The one thing to keep in mind here is that you must inform users that by submitting their business cards, they are agreeing to receive email communication from you. This can be as simple as adding a sign to the business card drop-off box saying, "We will send you an email to notify you if you have one." We may also send you periodical emails with special offers and announcements. If you do not wish to receive emails from us, please write no email on your business card. Start a VIP club. Many consumers like the idea of belonging to something exclusive and receiving offers that are extended only to a select group of people. The labor on your part is minimal. It's as easy as keeping a notebook by the cashier. As a customer comes up to complete a purchase, casually tell them about your business's VIP club and ask them if they would like to join. Customers will appreciate this if you position it as a rewards club, or a way to say thank you. "We love to have you around to your most loyal customers." Of course, you should offer VIP club membership to any of your consumers, as you may find. Once you start emailing them offers, that's a great way to build your most loyal customers. Make sure the offers you send them are, in fact, exclusive, and that you email VIP club members often enough, but not too often to become annoying. Once or twice a month is usually a good interval. Again, when you're collecting customer emails for the VIP club, make sure your customers know they're signing up to receive email offers from you. These are just some ideas to get your permission email marketing subscriber list started. The best news here is that compiling a list is actually the toughest part of managing an email marketing campaign. As long as you're using an email marketing management program that's specifically designed for small businesses like yours, the rest of the process is a breeze. Creating a campaign involves little more than selecting a professionally designed template, typing text, and choosing a few good images. Your campaigns will be scheduled and sent automatically, so you'll never have to worry about being involved in that part. What you will get to do, and this is probably the most exciting and most rewarding part of email marketing, is analyze your campaign after it's been sent. You'll be able to see how many people opened your email message, how many people clicked on each link within the message, and, best of all, exactly who did what. Now that's what we call accurate, detailed, and immediate consumer research. You actually get to track your consumers' actions from the exact moment they happen. And while you would previously pay a fortune just to get this research data, today your small business can send professional email marketing campaigns and track detailed consumer behavior for less than it would cost you to print store flyers. It's the new age of marketing, and there's never been a better time for your offline small business to get into the game. And with that, we've reached the end of this video all about quality email lists. Can benefit your online business. Let us know in the comments section down below if you enjoyed this episode and found it helpful and interesting. Remember to leave a thumbs up before you leave. Also subscribe to Colorful Finance and click the notification bell. So you're always up to date with our latest releases as always. Thanks for stopping by and watching. See you again soon in the next one.